Welcome back to Believe in Yourself. Before we begin, take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. Hold it gently for 3 seconds and exhale through your mouth. Let go of every worry. Let's do this again. Breathe in, peace, hold, exhale any resistance. One last deep breath. Inhale self worth. Exhale every trance of fear. You are safe. You are ready to heal your relationship with money, self worth, and confidence through the ancient Hawaiian practice of Ho'oponopono, the prayer of forgiveness, alignment, and love. Repeat each phrase with your heart open. Each word is a vibration returning you home to abundance, to peace. I am sorry for believing I am not enough to receive wealth. Please forgive the fear that made me too small. Thank you for reminding me that I am capable. I love the confidence rising within me. I am sorry for doubting my worthiness of success. Please forgive the moments I rejected opportunities. Thank you for helping me see my own light. I love being aligned with abundance. I am sorry for comparing my journey with others. Please forgive the scarcity I learned from the world. Thank you for opening the door to unlimited flow. I love how money now mirrors my self-worth. I am sorry for hiding my dream brilliance. Please forgive the times I undervalued myself. Thank you for reminding me that I am divine. I love stepping into my power with grace. I am sorry for holding guilt around wealth. Please forgive the old stories of unworthiness. Thank you for showing me abundance is love. I love receiving with open arms. I am sorry for associating success with stress. Please forgive the belief that wealth must be hard. Thank you for making ease my new normal. I love how easily prosperity flows to me. I am sorry for fearing judgment when I shine. Forgive me for shrinking my dreams. Thank you for the courage to be seen. I love expressing my gifts fully. I am sorry for rejecting compliments and help. Please forgive the pride that blocked receiving. Thank you for softening my heart. I love how support flows into my life. I am sorry for thinking money defines me. Please forgive the times I confused value with validation. Thank you for teaching me self-worth is eternal. I love being grounded in my truth. I am sorry for not trusting my intuition in business. Please forgive my fear of failure. Thank you for aligning me with divine timing. I love being guided to right opportunities. I am sorry for worrying about losing money. Please forgive my attachment to control. Thank you for teaching me trust. I love living in flow, not fear. I am sorry for holding out of insecurity. Please forgive my fear of lack. Thank you for reminding me that giving multiplies. I love circulating abundance freely. I am sorry for chasing instead of attracting. Please forgive my impatience with manifestation. Thank you for showing me divine order. I love the rhythm of effortless creation. I am sorry for working from fear instead of joy. Please forgive my exhaustion. Thank you for realigning me with purpose. I love being paid for what I love. I am sorry for seeking approval through taking action. Please forgive the part of me afraid to lead. Thank you for my growing confidence. I love the sound of my own voice. I am sorry for calling myself undeserving. Please forgive every self criticism I believed. Thank you for rewriting my self image. I love who I am becoming. I am sorry for playing small around wealthy people. Thus, forgive my intimidation. Thank you for showing me we are equal. I love standing tall in my power. I am sorry for fearing success will isolate me. Please forgive my subconscious resistance. Thank you connecting me with aligned souls. I love being supported by abundance. I am sorry for linking wealth with worry. Please forgive my anxiety around growth. Thank you for showing me expansion is safe. I love growing with peace and grace. I am sorry for ignoring my intuition's whispers. Please forgive my self doubt. Thank you for reuniting me with inner wisdom. I love trusting myself deeply. I am sorry for making confidence conditional. Please forgive my perfectionism. Thank you for reminding me progress is enough. I love my perfectly imperfect journey. I am sorry for disconnecting from my divine source. Please forgive my forgetfulness of who I am. Thank you for reconnecting me to abundance. I love the infinite supply that flows through me. I am sorry for letting fear silence my dreams. Please forgive my hesitation. Thank you for awakening my courage. I love boldly stepping into my destiny. I am sorry for confusing comfort with safety. Please forgive the fear of growth. Thank you for guiding me beyond limits. I love expanding into abundance. I am sorry for undervaluing my worth. Please forgive the part of me that settled. Thank you for teaching me to expect more. I love receiving the best life offers. I am sorry for resisting love and wealth. Please forgive my closed heart. Thank you for melting my walls. I love living with an open heart. I am sorry for forgetting I am divine. Please forgive the illusion of separation. Thank you for the remembrance of oneness. I love being the energy of abundance itself. Take a deep breath in and exhale gently. You have just cleansed the energetic pathway to self worth, money, and confidence. You are powerful. You are worthy. You are abundant. Thank you for being here. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Until next time, keep believing in yourself because the universe already does. Thank you for being here.